In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Argos Card online banking account. Let's walk through it together, nice and easy. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Argos Card, then press enter. You're looking for the official Argos website, which shows as argos.co.uk. Click the result that mentions Argos Card. This takes you to the Argos Card area on the Argos site. A quick tip, before you enter any details, make sure you see the secure padlock icon in your browser and the argos.co.uk address. That's your sign you're in the right place. Once the page loads, head to the top of the screen and select Account. This opens the sign-in page for your Argos account. Here, you'll see fields for your email address and password. Click into the email field and type the email address linked to your Argos card. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after your email. They can cause sign-in errors. Next, move to the password field and enter your password carefully. Passwords are case sensitive, so double check for capitals, numbers, and symbols. If your browser offers to save your password, only accept that on a device you trust and control. When your details are in, choose Sign In. On some devices, you may see a button that says Sign In securely. It works the same way. Argos may sometimes add an extra layer of protection by sending a verification code to your phone or email. Keep the device that receives that code nearby. If a code is sent, open the message and note the digits exactly as they appear. Go back to the Argos page and enter the code in the verification box to continue. Codes are time limited, so try to enter it promptly. If it doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment and check your spam or junk folder, then request a new code if the option appears. And remember, never share verification codes with anyone. After the code is accepted, you'll be signed into your Argos card account. From here, you can manage your account securely, view your balance, check recent transactions, and keep on top of payments. When you're finished, sign out if you're on a shared or public computer to keep your information safe. For quicker access next time, consider bookmarking the sign-in page in your browser. That's it. You've successfully logged into your Argos Card online banking account.